Hi, I'm David Neel with the Murphy Auto Museum in Oxnard, California, and this is a 1985 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So the last year they made this car was 1991, and it's been out of production for just about 30 years, but the values in the last 5 years of these cars has just been stratospheric. Ones in really good condition like this can fetch 40, 50, or with low miles, 60 or $70,000. So they made me get in the back seat just so I could show you how much luxury this car has, just like your living room. Leather seats, shag carpet on the side, shag carpet on the seat in front of you, and shag carpet down here. It's totally 70s design. Next year, 2021, Jeep is coming out with a new Grand Wagoneer, first time since 1991, and that will probably mean the values of these will shoot up even more.